Hey guys, we just came off a 22-day drought and the Bermuda is showing a little drought stress. As you can see, it has a slight yellowing to it. Today we're going to do a real mow, and then I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite fertilizers I've pretty much fallen in love with this summer. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. I hope you enjoyed that quick reel mowing with my Allet Kensington 20H. Took me about 15 minutes to mow 4,000 square feet. I mowed it sideways this time. Hope you can see the stripes. Sun comes out a little bit. But today we're headed to the garage to look at my favorite fertilizer this year. It's the GreenTRX from Anuvia. We'll squat down here and look at the analysis on it. I picked up this from Ewing's Irrigation. Very well priced. For a 50-pound bag, I believe it was right around $20. We'll go through the contents here. It's a homogeneous multi-nutrient fertilizer with 17% sulfur and 2% iron. It's a 16:1:2 NPK ratio. Total nitrogen 16%, phosphorus 1%, and the potassium 2%. It does have 17% sulfur. Iron is at 2%. I did pick up a little brochure. It does not have the application rate here for your yard for some reason. The back of the bag is pretty much blank. But I did pick up a marketing card, and it shows the cool and warm season turf grasses, the application rate, and it lists the various grasses, pretty much covers all of them. For nitrogen, 0.75 pounds per 1,000 square feet, you want to put down 4.7 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And for a nitrogen rate of 1 pound per 1,000 square feet, you want to put down 6.25 pounds of the product per 1,000 square feet. And then below it has your suggested spreader settings for the standard grade. It lists the Anderson AccuPro, the Scott's SR2000, the Leli, the Let's Go, and of course the Vicon. And here it has the 0.75 pounds of nitrogen. We'll look at the Let's Go, set it at 21. And for a full 1 pound, set it at 23. What I typically do, well, what I have been doing this summer is doing like a spoon feeding program. I basically take, instead of 1 full pound a month, I put half a pound every 2.5 weeks. So I usually put my spreader on setting 13, between 10 and 13 actually. So that should hit right about half a pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet, which would be basically half of 6.25 pound application rate. So take that down to like 3.10, 3.12 pounds per 1,000 square feet, which times 4 gives me about 12. So I usually put down about 13 pounds of this program for 4,000 square feet. One of the main reasons this has turned into my favorite go-to fertilizer this year is it really greens up my yard, but the second reason is cost. I typically put down about 13 pounds of this fertilizer every 2 weeks, which tends to be about 26 pounds per month, which is about half the bag. 25 pounds would be half the bag. So let's do a little calculation. Let's pull out my calculator here. Let's see, we got it's $21. We rounded up 21 since to include taxes. Divided by 50 pounds equals right at 42 cents per pound for this 50 pound bag. And I usually put down, like I said, 13 pounds every 2 weeks. So half a month or a full month would be close to 26 pounds, close to half the bag. So we do basically, well, 21 divided by 2, $10.50. So basically it cost me, I'll just round up to $11. $11 per month using GreenTRX. What other fertilizer can you get that cheap? That's not bad. So let's get started. We'll load this up in the hopper and go spread it on the yard. 1 scoop of this pill, about 3/4 full, equals about 3 pounds. I've already got 2 bucketfuls. This is the third. And then a 4th one. Do a little more than 3/4. That we have right at 13 pounds. There we go. Make sure it's set on 12. Yeah, right at 12. Be perfect. And now we'll evenly apply this over the 4,000 square feet. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, I did a full coverage. I started off going this way, then came back, coming across this way, got to the very end. All product is empty. So that means I did a full coverage across the entire front yard. I will wait a couple of days after it rains, see the green up, and put the green up on video. That way you can see the actual product is working. If you enjoyed this video, learned something new about a new product you've never heard of, GreenTRX, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, click that notification bell when you hit subscribe. That way you get notified of all my videos. Go to my website, sunnybermuda.com, and I have all my videos listed there with more information. I usually like to type up a little paragraph or 2 about the product or about the activities going on in the yard. Until next time, hope you guys have a great day. Here we are about 6 days out from applying the GreenTRX. Unfortunately, we haven't gotten any rain, but you can tell it's already greened it up pretty good. We got a slight drizzle after we applied it, even though we had 80% chance of rain for 2 days. The rain just, I guess it like circled around where my house is located. I had to put a sprinkler on it to keep it from going into another drought shock, I guess you could say. Get down here, look at this. See if we can get some close up of the green turf. It's about due for a mow. It's been 2 days since I mowed it. But yes, looking really thick, really nice.